Hello everyone, standing here in my living room in Stockholm, Sweden. I used to talk about digital and visual quality in education. And I really don't mean that teachers must create the most fantastic videos ever. Not at all. I just want to encourage all of us to make sure that the learning material is accessible, media pedagogic, and at least a little engaging. How does that sound? All right, let's start with accessibility. If we don't have an accessible material, we might just not use it at all. I'm talking about sound quality, that's one thing. If you fail with your audio when you're recording a Zoom lecture or whatever it is, then you don't have an accessible learning material anymore, because the students can't hear what you're saying. And then we have the texting part. What about all those students and people all around the world that has difficulties to hear? In Sweden, I think we have 1.5 million people that has those difficulties. Texting videos, it's crucial and not that hard. I'm trying my best to text my own video lectures and pedagogic video shows. And with some training, you can take 10-minute video in, let's say, 1 hour. You just listen what you're saying and you're texting. And I'm using a Camtasia for that. It's a video edit app. I used to say that that video edit app is for digital learning and visual learning what PowerPoint has been to classroom education. Accessibility, yes, we are still here in this area. Streaming, is that reliable? I don't think so. We should use video and streaming with care. Everything doesn't have to be video, not at all. You shall use video when it's time to use video. Media pedagogy. And what is media pedagogy? Well, for me, that is how we are using different kinds of media in a pedagogic way. For example, instead of just cutting in and out on a lecture, well, then you easily can work with that material to make it more media pedagogic in a decent video editing app, as Camtasia, for example. Once everything is inside your video editing app, it stays there, where you can zoom in on different parts of your slide, where you can add keywords and you can update it just like that. So that's a little bit about media pedagogy. And last, why shouldn't our students be engaged of our digital and visual learning? You can be so engaging with visuals, with video, animations, and so on. This you can do yourself. I'm recording myself right now. I have a mic here to my smartphone and actually have 1, 2, 3 cameras running. Why not?
What video editing software would you recommend for schools?
I worked 10 years at the Royal Institute of Technology in Stockholm, Sweden, and I always recommend Camtasia for teachers there. I have seen teachers learn that so fast.
Free software?
That's not free, but why should important pedagogic tools be free? Pencils cost money too, you know. So ask your leaders, get money from them.
All right, thanks Jonas for sharing out.